Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of ICAI Intermediate Books for both groups. I cleared the CA Foundation exam on my first attempt in June 2022 and have now registered for both groups of Intermediate. There are 26 books in total sent by the CA Institute, 14 in Group 1 and 12 in Group 2. The subjects look really interesting. In Paper 1 Accounting, we have 3 module books and 1 accounting pronouncement. In Paper 2, Corporate and Other Laws, we have 2 modules. In Paper 3, Cost and Management Accounting, we have 2 modules again. In Paper 4, Taxation, we have 3 modules for Income Tax Law and 2 modules for Indirect Taxes. And a supplementary book. Group 2 books. In Paper 5 Advanced Accounting, we have 3 modules and 1 accounting pronouncements book. In Paper 6 Auditing and Assurance, we have 2 modules and an auditing pronouncement. In Paper 7 Enterprise Information Systems and Strategic Management, we have a module each. In Paper 8 Financial Management and Economics for Finance, we have 2 modules for Financial Management and 1 for Economics for Finance. To all the CA aspirants watching this video, all the best. I hope you're just as excited as I am to pursue CA. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more videos, stay tuned.